Can I hit the green on TPC Sawgrass hole 17 from the pros' tees?
First, we practiced the day before at the Marriott Sawgrass. Just missed left. A lot of distractions before the tee shot. First, the lightning horn, telling all caddies to move back to the clubhouse. Then a big yell from the group behind us at the 16th green. What do you know? Went to the same spot as I practiced the day before.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see more great golf courses.